Wild Horses, can I help you?
I'm Shaggy. I've been with Wild Horses since April of 2022. So my automotive history, I had a Ford Ranger that I bought when I was about 18 or 19, still have it today. Started off doing pre-runner stuff, doing a rear axle swap, bed cage. Ended up changing gears a little bit and doing a solid axle. So I'm in the middle of that swap right now. I did a high pinion Dana 44 that I'm putting in, so kind of Bronco related. But yeah, I've definitely got a few years of automotive experience. What the Bronco means to me: family, fun, freedom, getting to the outdoors, hanging out with your friends, going four-wheeling, just going out having a good time. So Wild Horses to me means quality, family, teamwork, but most importantly, customer service. Taking the extra time and going the extra mile to make sure that we get everything right and that we take care of our customers. We definitely wouldn't be here without you guys, and we thank all of you, and we definitely appreciate you.